Hi friends, I'm Erica and behind the camera is Sal and we're the Disney Tears and this is our first vlog and we just wanted to share how we planted this succulent in a Disney mug. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next vlog will be. One of the first things you're going to need is your favorite Disney mug. I decided on this Mary Poppins mug because she's my favorite. Your favorite succulent. You can get these at Home Depot, Ikea. This one's I got at Ikea. You're going to need a glove to be able to handle the cactus. And then you're going to need this specific potting mix that's made for succulents. One of the first things that Sal did was, it's very important, is to include underneath your mug, you're going to need to have a hole so that the water drains out and then the air gets out and there's no moisture stuck, so if not, the plant will die. You're going to need a concrete bit to drill a hole. You're going to start off small and then a bigger bit. And then I'll insert a video of how he did that. And make sure to use water as you're drilling the bit because it does get hot. And that's it. As you can see, it was really a simple project. I hope it inspires you to add a little magical touch to your house or your home or your office. I'm really excited we were able to do this vlog for you. I hope you subscribe and hit that notification button for our next YouTube video. Thanks. See you real soon.